Is up, YouTube? Are you looking for a way to make money online and not have to have an email list or build a website or anything like that? If so, stay with me. This is really, really cool. I've got an amazing thing to show you in my review of Commission Hotshot. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat, and that is because I wear a fedora well pretty much everywhere I go. I am one of the few people that can pull one off successfully. Well, you know what it is, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip my introduction. But if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. Because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
But this is a good one, okay? Really. He complains constantly. He's so annoying. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, if you're new to the channel, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. You see, I love Liz. She also says the same thing like Bart says every single day, but she's a sweetheart, so why not? Anyway, if you're new to the channel, go and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Hey, welcome. This is Commission Hotshot. This is the website for Commission Hotshot. You can see over here, $789.80. He says he did this in 19 minutes. Okay, I don't know if it's really going to take 19 minutes, and it could take you longer. It probably will take you a little bit longer. The nice thing is that he did this money, this $789.80, he did this entirely off of YouTube and off of ranking a video on YouTube. Now, are you going to make the same amount of money? Probably not, but you could make real money. You could make several $100s off of a promotion using this method, and I'll explain why. Because Art does have a following already, so some of the traffic he got on YouTube obviously came from his own following, but he's also going to show you how to actually go ahead and rank a video on YouTube. And there was some stuff here I'm going to show you in a minute inside the members area. There's some stuff here that was really cool stuff that I did not know about, and I've been doing YouTube for a long time. I have a relatively successful YouTube channel myself, and there was a whole bunch of stuff here that I was not familiar with. So it was really, really cool. I was very impressed with what Art was able to do here. And the price is really, really a great price, actually. The entire package is going for less than the price of a matinee at the movies, basically $10, not even $10. If you want, there's some done for you software. The software is Windows only. I have a Mac, as some people who follow my channel may know, so I didn't bother reviewing the Windows software.
But why? Oh.
Because I like Mac, that's why. And that's it. I like my Mac, okay? Yeah, I know. I'm one of the cool kids, whatever. Anyway, so let me talk to you about my custom bonuses, because my custom bonuses are really, really important. Because I wanted to really plug some of the holes that I found here. The biggest hole I found here is right at the beginning of this trading. Art is going to talk about how he didn't need to get a lot of stuff in order to review the product that he reviewed in this course. And the reason they didn't need it was because he had what's called a JV doc. A JV doc is basically a, usually it's a Google Doc, sometimes something else, but it's usually a Google Doc that is given out to affiliates. I get them also. And basically inside the JV doc, you're actually going to see how to, like, it'll have review access. It's going to have several bonuses that you can give away. It's going to have email, ready-made emails called email swipes for you. Pretty much everything you need in order to promote a product, they give you inside the JV doc. There is also what's called a JV page, which is a different thing from the JV doc. The JV page is open to the public. The JV page will not have the bonuses. The catch is that if you're a newbie, you're probably not going to be able to get access to the JV doc, unfortunately. It just is not going to be available to you. It's available usually only to people who are more experienced. So I have a hack for that. And not only do I have a hack for that, I'm also going to be showing you, I'm also going to give you some really cool bonuses. So the first bonus I'm going to be giving you is going to be my very own income formula training. If you already have the income formula, don't worry, because I got something even better to give you. Well, I shouldn't say better, but it's also a really cool bonus. But basically, I'm going to show you how to combine the income formula with arts training in order to really maximize your chances of making real money from this method. It's a very, very cool method. Now, the software, by the way, you don't absolutely need to have it. It's nice, not necessary. Okay, so the other thing I'm going to give you, because Art recommends using a website called IDPLR. Now, IDPLR will give you some stuff for free and some stuff you have to pay a few dollars for. The thing is that IDPLR, most of the stuff is old and whatever. Anyhow, what I'm going to give you basically is 90 ebooks that are quality ebooks that you cannot buy from IDPLR, that you're actually going to be able to get them 100% for free from me. It's going to be part of my bonus, so that you can actually have bonuses to give away with any promotion that you do. You don't have to go and purchase them from IDPLR as Art recommends. You're going to have them. By the way, for those who do have the income formula, I'm giving you my latest launch, which is called White Collar PLR. The way I like to describe White Collar PLR is basically that if regular PLR is kind of like one of those things.
Go, it's built for economy, not speed.
Yeah, the Yugo or whatever that crappy car is. Anyhow, but if regular PR is like that, my PR is basically like this. Yes, it's like driving a Ferrari. Okay, I am very, very excited about this because it's going to be super high-end stuff. You're going to get the first course 100% for free if you already own the income formula. By the way, if you do want to get that instead of the income formula, feel free to buy the income formula. And then you can always get the first course of White Collar PLR for free as your bonus instead. In addition to all those things, the other thing that I know a lot of people are going to complain about, they're going to say, I don't want to appear on camera, Eric. I don't like appearing on camera. I'm not a YouTube person. Hey, I get that. No problem at all. When I do feels like this, I'm going to give you access to my favorite voiceover artist. She actually is super cheap. And basically what you can do is you can send her a script, and then all you do is silently play along to the script, showing things inside of the product that you're reviewing, and you don't have to speak at all. And I'm also going to give you a link to one of my favorite actors who can do intros for you. Again, super duper cheap. And between the two, you can basically, for a few dollars, you can actually put together a very professional looking review video without ever having to actually speak or appear on camera at all. So, and using arts training, you'll be able to make real money using this method. So let me take you into the members area real quick over here. This is the members area for Commission Hotshot. You can see there is some software. The software is Windows only. I didn't even bother. I took a quick look at it, but I didn't really do a review of it because, frankly, it's not all that necessary. It's a nice extra if you want to spend a couple of bucks for it. I think it's like $12.50 with the software, $10 or $9.95 without the software. If you want to spend the $2.50, if you happen to have Windows, great. If you are a Mac person like me, then don't bother. It's just not worth the headache unless you happen to have Parallels Desktop or something like that. Anyhow, but it's a really, really good case study that he has here. He's going to show you exactly how to set everything up, including using free tools. There's a lot of tools here that he told me about that I didn't know about, and I've been doing YouTube for years now. Okay, and really and truthfully, this is a very, very well put together course. Going to show you how to get traffic to your offers. Really going to give you everything you could possibly need to know in order to really build this up. And he's going to give you a couple of extra bonuses. I'm giving you 5 bonuses that he's giving me, but I'm also giving you all of my own bonuses. As I said, you're going to get the income formula, or you get White Collar PLR, the first course in White Collar PLR. You're going to get. You're also going to get 90 ebooks, so you don't need to go to IDPLR and buy anything. You're going to have them already. And I'm also going to give you access to my favorite voiceover artist and my favorite actor to basically do videos for you. For like $10, you can basically have a video made for you, which will look completely professional, with a professional voiceover, with a professional actor introducing the video for you. and then you don't even have to do anything. You can just basically make your own video, put it up on your channel, and use arts training, and you don't ever have to appear or speak on camera. Literally, all you're going to do is just open up the software or project, whatever it is, and kind of like mouse around showing it as the voiceover shows what it is. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. Give a tip of my hat to the product creator. Yes, I am, Art. Great job. The only thing I really didn't like was the fact that you're talking about using a JV doc, because you know that a newbie is not going to have access to it. But like I said, I've got you covered with that, because you're going to get access to my own income formula and how to riff off of what Art is going to teach you using the methods of the income formula, which are designed to help you to be able to gain access to products that you can promote even if you are a newbie, and you'll show you exactly what to do in order to be able to get access to them. And you don't have to worry about the fact that you can't get access to something brand new like Art is going to be talking about in his course. So overall, great course. Loved it. Grab it. For $10, you really can't go wrong. You're going to love it.